Welcome to All Inclusive Trading. Thank you guys so much for following. Do please hit the like and subscribe button so you guys can get updates on different stocks throughout the entire week, on plays that I'm looking at using these indicators that we have on our chart here. You guys, the top stock that I'm looking at for next week, we're going to be looking at Disney on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to show you the game plan of exactly what I'm looking at. We're going to mark off this spot on our chart here, so there's 100% transparency between myself and everyone watching these videos, so you can understand why and how I trade these stocks. We can end up making money together. If you don't find benefit in these videos, I want you to leave a comment below to tell me exactly what else I can help you guys out with trading. But without any further ado, let's dive right into the charts and let you know exactly what I'm looking at. So to start off with, our linear regression indicator, this right here that you can tell the stronger reds and then stronger greens on the bottom here, this is going to automatically populate on your chart. So under this indicator, if you go over to the settings, this is going to take into account 400. So that means it's going to tell the last 400 candles on our chart is going to take into account the price action and tell us if we're trading in a bullish, bearish, or consolidating pattern. So for this example, we're trading in a bearish market momentum. So overall, I want to be looking to actually be going short in the market to capitalize on the strongest gain to the downside. What I'm looking at right now is we are way past this top deviation level on our bear regression trend. Now, not only that, we have our multiple time frame EMA indicator, which is telling us on both. This is very fancy, guys. Take a look at this. The 100 EMA. This is telling us that on both the 4-hour and the 2-hour, it's going to show us exactly where that EMA is on both those time frames, so we don't have to switch between screens. We have crossed over and we're in a bull pattern. Now, when these switch over, but we get extended this far away, a couple deviations, just as we've done previously, this is a great indication that we could see a slight pullback before actually continuing higher. Now, not only that, let's take a look at this dashboard indicator up here, and I'll totally explain every metric of this. This is your selling pressure in red. This is your buying pressure in green. Now, historically speaking in the past, let's just go directly left, and let's look at areas when we get into this top extended area. If we go directly down, that's where we typically like to see a nice sell-off in the market. Again, right here, top red section, nice sell-off, and again, right here, top red section, nice sell-off. So for overall trading a bear regression trend, and we're up into our top red section here in our white line, which is going to tell you either money that's flowing into the market, price increasing, or money flowing out of the market, price decreasing. If this is now starting to shift lower out of our selling pressure, and we also have a red dot here, this red dot actually means a key EMA crossover to the downside. So when both of these are in combination, this does tell us that we could potentially see a reversal to the downside before continuing higher. Now, the other thing that I'm looking at right now, if we look directly left, is we're sitting at some strong levels of resistance in the past where we've actually seen a nice push down before continuing higher. So that is why I want to be looking out for Disney for a push to the downside, or playing puts if you guys like trading options. I would at least, whenever I trade options, I like to do a month out contract since we are on the 4-hour time frame. Inside our Discord, I actually teach you guys exactly how I personally trade options on different time frames, which is very educational once you guys end up coming on board. But the other thing that I want you guys to take a look out for, this middle band up here, you see how this is solid green? This is going to tell us overall market momentum. Now, when this is solid green, if we go directly straight down, this is going to mean that price is typically going to be increasing in value, which it is doing right now. Now, when this switches over to red, you can tell it's a solid red band. If we go directly down, that's when price is decreasing. So the added confirmation that I want you guys to look out for on this dashboard indicator is not only for this to come down in the red dot for EMA crossover, if we then switch over to a red middle band here, that is the optimal time to be looking to go short on Disney to capitalize on a movement lower and playing puts in the market, or just shorting the underlying stock. If you guys are still here watching this video, I want to show you guys allinclusivetrading.com. It's all inclusive for a reason. Indicators, Discord, and alerts all are completely combined into one. There's never any monthly service fees ever. There's 5 different indicators: a buy-sell indicator, we have an advanced linear regression, advanced dashboard, support and resistance, and also the multiple time frame EMA indicator that you guys get access to for life. And then of course our private Discord, we actually do 300 to 3K challenges. So people that don't have a lot of funds to trade with, this is a great way to start trading. And we also do for our larger clients and traders who are trading with 100,000, 500,000 or more. We break down a lot of big companies and actually stocks in the market, so you can follow alongside with exactly our entries and exits so you can be educated. So all you have to do is just go to I want this on the top right here. It takes about 5 minutes and you guys can start trading alongside with us right away, basically starting tomorrow, Monday. This is a one-time fee of $4.99. Again, there's never any monthly service fees. I never wanted to create a business where you guys have to worry about something each month. But if you have any questions, please send me an email. You guys, I am totally transparent and wanting to work with all you guys. Email me at allinclusiveaccess@gmail.com. That's my personal email, and I will either get on a Zoom call, I can get on a phone, and describe to you guys exactly how I trade. And I want to be here to help you guys out to become better traders, either if you're beginning out in trading or if you've been trading for years and years. I want to be able to help as much as possible. So to recap, Disney on the 4-hour time frame. I want to be looking at playing puts to the downside. To keep this 100% transparent with you guys, let's do this right now. I'm going to go and do a horizontal line at this current price of 109. I'm going to change this actually to 109.45 because that's the exact spot that we're looking at here. Let's go and change this. Let's go coordinates 109.45. All right, you guys, let's look at this and see how this goes tomorrow. I will do an updated video on this stock to see what happens in the following weeks. If you guys end up making money on this trade, please do leave a comment below. I understand when you guys end up joining a team and making an initial investment of something like $4.99, I want to show you guys and prove to you the success that we're actually having, and I want to just instill the confidence in you before making that jump, making that decision. We've had some amazing people on our team make some great profits. If we shoot over to our Discord right here, I'll actually show you guys some of these just so you can kind of take a look. I had one of these members just last week end up making over $5,000 in a single day off alerts. This is actually one of our top traders here. His name is going to be Justin GB18, and just multiple here. I mean, 48%, another trader. We are just a good team environment that is just wanting to help. Gosh, another one here, 8,500 for the day. Absolutely incredible. But this is why we're here, you guys. We want to help you out. We want to make sure that you're successful. Again, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. But have a great Sunday. We'll see you guys on Monday.